Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share a tutorial how to use Google Drive for Google Chat on your iOS or iPhone. So what is Google Drive actually? Google Drive is a application that provided by the Google for saving your documents, for saving your data, so that you can reach the data that you save on a Google Drive everywhere, every places, anytime, as long as you have a device and the internet on your device. So to work in a Google Drive, you have to log in with the email that you already sign in Google, and after that you will have the G Drive that you can use for saving all of your documents. So how to work or how to use Google Drive for Google Chat? So we can instantly send the documents on the Google Drive through Google Chat. Let's send, for example, let's send these documents. So you just need to go click these three small dots, and after that go click scrolling down and click open in, and after that you just need to wait. Now you just need to focus on this application section. You just need to scroll into the left side until you found a Google Chat. Just need to click it, and after that you also need to select to whom that you want to send these documents to. And after you're done, you can also type the message. Okay, hold on. Okay, this is the design, and after you're done type in the information, you just need to go click send. Okay, we need to wait, and this document is already sent to your friends through Google Chat. That's all the way how to use Google Drive on Google Chat, guys. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.